Cosmo commences with cheese grater design. There is cheese grater in the front with holes which air will blow out to stop you all the time. As you can see, it is on the sides and in front and underneath to stop us in the skies. There is rubber where you can stand on to fly. There is 4 monitors and 1 keyhole for the skies, 2 for the badges, 1 for the height, and 1 for the speed.